Exhale, clear your throat if you want to. Inhale, comfortable breath. Exhale, Han, pull your belly. Inhale, 2, release your belly. Exhale, Han, pull your belly. Inhale, 2, release your belly. Exhale, Han, pull your belly. Inhale, 2, release your belly. Han, 2, 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 Han to, 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 Han to. Inhale, bring your attention to the point between your eyebrows. Exhale, release your breath to any natural rhythm. Relax your face, separate your teeth and drop your tongue. Relax your shoulders. Sit up for some time, 1 to 5 minutes. Hibernation. Slow down heart rate and breath, and later lie down in Shavasana.